Good morning, Iloilo. So I am back here at Arroyo. This is just a small update on the condo units that will be built on Arroyo and Snart Street. So now we have a tarp that's been posted along the fence, and as you can see here, this is now the I think this will be the final design of the building. And as you can see here, it's now called Terranza Residences. So at least based from the picture on the tarpaulin, it's gonna be at least a 30-story building. And then as you can see here, we have the, I think, first 5 floors. And then maybe for business or offices, and then all the rest going to the top are the residence units there. And then they also have posted some the interior designs of the building, so we're just gonna walk closer to like this one. So this could be like a garden of some sort. And then closer to Snart Street, as you can see here, it's like a bit of an aerial view of what the garden would look like. So they have I think this tarp has been posted like days ago. And then we're just gonna walk around going to Snart. So the rest of the fence are with the tarpaulin already. You can see they're going to the 168 Plaza. So the builders would be, I think, in partnership with IBC and Cebu Landmasters, and yeah, also with the GGTT Realty Corporation. So if this condo unit or building will be done, it would be most probably could be the tallest building. I'm not sure yet of the height of the building, but we'll try to get some information. So there you have it, guys. So this is just a short update. Thank you for watching.